Santiago Learn Hub, Grade 10 CBSE Physics match the following. Light reflection, column 1, plane mirror. It's a type of mirror. A. Plane mirror. B. Concave mirror. C. Convex mirror. Column 2, nature of image at infinity. 1. Virtual erect diminished. 2. Real inverted highly diminished. 3. Virtual erect same size. The answer is, as we know, plane mirror always gives virtual erect and same size. Concave mirror gives real inverted and highly diminished, because concave mirror is a converging mirror. Convex mirror is a diverging mirror, so it gives virtual erect diminished. So the answer is A3, B2, C1. Next, match the following. Column 1, mirror formula is 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Power of lens, the unit is diopter. Refractive index is, it's the ratio between speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in medium. Real image can be obtained on the screen. This is the answer. Next one, right hand thumb rule, which is used to find the direction of the magnetic field due to current in straight conductor. Device converting electrical energy into mechanical energy. Obviously, it's a motor, electric motor. AC frequency in India, of course, it's 50 Hertz. Fleming's left hand rule, which is used to find the it is used to find the direction of the force on current carrying conductor in magnetic field. So, right hand thumb rule, 1B, 2D, 3A and 4C. Next one, myopia. As we all know, myopia is used to concave lens correction. Hypermetropia, convex lens correction. Scattering of light, because of the scattering of light, the sky appears blue in color. Prism, dispersion of white light. So this is the answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and share the video.